Yo, what's up? Good morning. So Winnie is cooking breakfast this morning.
Hi, good morning. What's up?
Oh, honey, what are you doing?
I'm cooking a fried egg,
Oh,
Normal breakfast in the morning, every morning.
oh, honey. Alright, our breakfast arrived. As you can see, Sayang, chef.
Yeah, just this is one simple breakfast. So we
Very
will have
simple.
a breakfast before our activity in the morning.
What activities, honey?
I will work.
You will work, honey. So very simple breakfast, and the most important, they are gherkins over here, you know.
Smacznego.
Smacznego, honey.
So we already changed, and then now it's time for me to go to office. So Damian dropped me to work today. Thanks, honey. Yeah, because
welcome.
it was a big raining this morning, so I decided to go with Damian. Okay, but before we go to work, we will drop our laundry first. As you know, that I didn't, do laundry at home because we didn't have a washing machine. So first, we will go to laundry.
So it's the laundry time, and laundry we have here at the corner. Here is some small warung, by the way. Here is also petrol station if you are interested for the motorbikes. That's how it looks, and this is the laundry where we always drop the laundry, as you can see. That's how it looks. And the kid, Shy.
So this one is 3 kg. So laundry per kilo cost me 7k.
7k per kid.
Yeah, it will be like, all is good with all.
And quickly I show you around. The kid is playing.
She has a little baby.
One more. And we pick up laundry. Yeah.
So this is our laundry.
Already
This will be like this.
in the bag. Okay, let's go to work.
Now it's time to go work.
See you later, honey.
Yeah.
I will pick you up.
Yeah, I will have a meeting with the teachers from Papua, Sorong, Papua today. So at 9, I have to be on time.
Okay, so good
Bye,
luck,
honey.
yeah?
Yeah.
Have fun, yeah?
Bye.
Bye, honey. Alright, I'm just arrived to the place. I'm gonna edit my video. I will show you coffee now. So my beautiful morning coffee. A little bit how it looks the place. And I have to edit video for today. It's, by the way, 9:09, as you can see. So we will see what time I gonna finish. And that's my morning routine. Every morning I'm editing video for 4 or 5 hours. Sometimes if we travel somewhere, I do it at the day before at night, but usually I just do it at morning, like here right now. By the way, if you are new on our channel and you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do it now. The Monkeys. We do vlogs every single day at 4 p.m. Bali time, so if you subscribe and put the notification bell, you will never miss our new video, which is every single day. So maybe you should consider to subscribe. If you do so, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Alright, I'm just done editing my video and it's 1 o'clock. Can you imagine that? Already 1 o'clock took me so many hours to do it, and every day is like that. By the way, this is my Jimny and this is the nice Porsche. Okay, I'm gonna go home now to chill a little bit. Okay, it's so hot. It's about 2 o'clock, it's time for lunch, so we will see what today I gonna have. I have usually 2 places to eat, usually every day, like a daily life. One is Warung Kecil, which is you already saw, and one is the burger place, which I gonna show you now. Hello, how are you? Oh, that's the drinks. Oh, new menu.
Yes.
Oh, very nice. Oh, I have to think longer today. It's very hot in Sanur and in Bali nowadays. I got my second cappuccino today, as you can see, and I'm in the Warung Kecil in Sanur. I was thinking to go to the beach having radler, but few days I make a vlog in Sanur in the beach, so this today no. Anyway, it's after 5. Usually at that time I'm making vlogs, I going somewhere to make a video, but today we are just doing the daily life, so I wanna talk a little bit about that. Unfortunately, or at 5 I'm gonna pick up Winnie, but unfortunately today Winnie is working longer. She's gonna work until 7. She have few meetings. She already called me, so yeah. I will first make a sip of my coffee. I'm gonna record now how I play with my coffee. I watched one YouTube on the video, few million views. Can you imagine just to doing like this? Wonder why? Maybe it's relaxing or something. You can actually comment below what do you think about that. Oh my god. Very nice coffee, by the way. Anyway, today I wanna talk a little bit. I will pick up Winnie and we will continue our daily life today. We're gonna go shopping and we're gonna show you where we eat dinner or what we eat for dinner usually. But today I wanna talk a little bit about our cost of living. Many people are asking us about the cost of living in Bali, and cost of living in Bali is depends. Everybody will have different lifestyle, different style of living, and will be cost of living will be different. I'm gonna tell you quickly how much is our daily life. I mean the monthly spending for everything, and cost of living for us is about 7 million rupiah, which is around $500 US. If it's much or not, everybody have different. I know someone who's spending $7,500,000 only for one night going to the party in Seminyak or in Uluwatu. And many people they saying it's the very good life in Bali is for about $2,500 American dollars, which is 35 million or something like that. It depends. Some people spending more than $2,500 per month for accommodation for the villa. It depends. If you're interested how much we spend like a 2 million for our rent of the place. It's including the electricity and all bills. 1.6 million for the Jimny, what you see every time on the vlog. We own our own bikes, so we don't pay for any rent or anything, just service time to time. And petrol obviously, and other cost of living like mostly food and our expenses like petrol and stuff like this. So in total is about 7 million, 7 plus minus, right? I will finish my coffee, and after that we're gonna meet Winnie. I will pick her up from the work.
Alright, so I just arrived. I just finished my work. It's 8 p.m. already, so it's time to buy dinner. So I will buy lalapan here, and next door is pizza.
And I will have a pizza just next door. This is our routine.
I will buy pizza next door, and I will buy lalapan.
Yeah, takeaway, bungkus. So that's the lalapan shop. I will quickly show you also the area, how it looks. We park over here. This is the Batur Sari in Sanur. There is the market, Pandeputri, very local place, local market. And this is the restaurant. After work, I wanna order pizza over there, and that's Winnie first. Lalapan. What lalapan? Oh yeah, nice. And this is my place for the pizza. I will show you. I'm gonna order pizza. Only drivers waiting for the food. Yo, what's up? Can I have a meat lover pizza takeaway, please? Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. That's the restaurant. 15 minutes, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you. So basically I'm ordering pizza in this place over here, and Winnie is just over here. Can you see her? But that's the mix. I wanna something Western and she wanna something local. That's quite common thing. And take away, so we will eat at home. Handmade sambal, yeah?
So he's making my lalapan sambal.
Very nice.
So no sambal and no nasi, no eating lah for me.
Yeah, no sambal, no nasi, no eating. And the lalapan is over there. Nice. Alright, so that's our dinner. That's my pizza. Sayang, our vlog on the TV.
Alright, so I think that's all our video today, guys. It's time to have dinner. It's very late dinner, around 8:30.
8:30 already.
Thank you for watching from the morning until late night. Thank you and see you tomorrow.
See you
Bye.
tomorrow. See ya. Take care.